Did you know that over 2 billion people will be using mobile banking by 2026? Yes, you heard it right. In less than half a decade, mobile banking users are projected to skyrocket, crossing the 2 billion mark. That's nearly a quarter of the entire world's population. It's a mind-boggling statistic that clearly illustrates the increasing significance of mobile banking in our daily lives. This rapid adoption isn't just about convenience. It's also a testament to the trust people are placing in this technology. From transferring funds to paying bills, from monitoring accounts to applying for loans, mobile banking is transforming the way we manage our finances. But what's even more fascinating is that this growth is not limited to developed countries. Emerging economies are also jumping on the mobile banking bandwagon, making it a truly global phenomenon. With such a rapid growth, ever wondered what makes mobile banking tick? Let's dive into its evolution. Mobile banking didn't just appear out of nowhere. It has a history that goes back to the late 1990s. The dawn of mobile banking took shape during a time when the world was just starting to embrace the power of the internet. And it all began with a service we all know and love or love to hate, the SMS or short message service. In those initial days, banks started using SMS to communicate with their customers. Whether it was a transaction alert or a monthly statement, the humble SMS became the first bridge between your bank and your mobile phone. However, this was a one-way street, with banks reaching out to customers, but customers couldn't yet interact with their bank accounts through their phones. Then came the era of WAP, or Wireless Application Protocol banking. This allowed users to access a stripped-down version of their bank's website on their mobile phones. But this was the late 90s and early 2000s we're talking about. Mobile internet was slow, screens were tiny, and user interfaces were far from intuitive. It was a step forward, no doubt, but it was a step taken with a lot of caution and hesitation. There were limitations and there were challenges. Security was a major concern. The technology wasn't robust enough to guarantee secure transactions. And then there was the issue of accessibility. Not everyone had a mobile phone, and fewer still had a phone that could access the internet. Despite these challenges, the seeds of mobile banking had been planted. Banks and technology firms knew they were onto something big. They saw a future where banking would be as easy as sending a text message. A future where financial transactions would not be bound by the working hours of a physical bank. And so they persevered, pushing the boundaries of technology and banking, overcoming obstacles, and innovating at every step. The world was changing, technology was evolving, and mobile banking was right at the heart of this revolution. From humble beginnings, mobile banking has come a long way. But the journey was just getting started. The game changer arrived in the form of smartphones and the app revolution. Suddenly, the world had a powerful computer in the palm of their hands, a device that could do more than just call or text. It was during this period that the landscape of mobile banking took a drastic turn. As these pocket-sized powerhouses became more common, banks started to recognize their potential. The idea was simple. If people can shop, learn, and connect on their phones, why can't they bank too? And so the era of app-based banking began. Imagine having your bank in your pocket. Imagine paying bills while sitting comfortably in your living room, transferring funds while waiting for your coffee, or checking your account balance during a commercial break. Sounds convenient, doesn't it? That's exactly what app-based banking offered. A world where banking was no longer bound by brick and mortar, but was as mobile as the people it served. Then came the introduction of mobile wallets, a concept that further simplified transactions. No need to carry cash or cards, just your smartphone. Tap, pay, and you're done. It was a significant leap from traditional banking methods, offering speed, convenience, and a whole new level of security. As these advancements unfolded, user adoption skyrocketed. People were not just open to this change, they were embracing it. The ease of transactions, the freedom from long bank queues, the ability to bank anytime, anywhere, it was a revolution that was here to stay. But perhaps the biggest testament to this revolution was the shift in mindset it brought about. People started trusting technology with their money. They started believing in the security it offered. And most importantly, they started seeing banking not as a chore, but as an integral part of their digital lives. Smartphones not only changed how we communicate, but also how we bank. But the story doesn't end here. Enter the era of digital-only banks, offering a complete banking experience right from your mobile device. As we journey further into the 21st century, traditional banking methods are becoming a thing of the past. Welcome to the age of digital-only banks, where banking is no longer bound by brick and mortar. These banks exist entirely online, offering services and features that have significantly transformed the banking industry. Digital-only banks, or as some may call them neobanks, are banking platforms that operate without traditional physical branches. They were born from the need for convenience and ease of access, two things that today's fast-paced world demands. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can open an account, make transactions, and manage your finances. No queues, no paperwork, just simple, streamlined banking. But it's not just about convenience. Digital-only banks are also renowned for their innovative features. Some offer budgeting tools that help you manage your finances effectively, while others offer personalized financial advice based on your spending habits. These features are designed to empower users, making banking a more engaging and personalized experience. Moreover, digital-only banks are often more cost-effective than traditional banks. Without the overhead costs of physical branches, these banks can pass on the savings to their customers in the form of lower fees and better interest rates. Yet, it's important to remember that while digital-only banks are transforming the banking landscape, they also come with their own set of challenges. Issues such as security concerns and the lack of human interaction are aspects that these banks continue to work on. But there's no denying the impact these digital-only banks have had on the banking industry. They've successfully brought banking to the digital age, making it more accessible, convenient, and customer-centric. So as we embrace this era of digital-only banks, we can't help but wonder, in this digital age, banking has become more convenient than ever. But what does the future hold? The future of mobile banking is here, and it's more exciting than ever. As we step into a new era, we're witnessing the dawn of AI-based banking. Imagine a world where your mobile banking app knows you better than you know yourself. It anticipates your needs, offers personalized financial advice, and even predicts your spending trends. That's the power of artificial intelligence. By analyzing your financial habits, AI can offer tailored solutions to help you manage your finances more effectively. Now let's talk about voice banking. Yes, you heard it right. The future of banking is hands-free. With the rise of virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, voice banking is set to become the next big thing. You will be able to check your balance, transfer funds, or even pay your bills, all without lifting a finger. The era of handling cash, cards, or even touching your smartphone is rapidly becoming a thing of the past. But what about security? As mobile banking becomes more advanced, so does the need for secure banking solutions. Enter biometric security. Biometric technology uses unique physical or behavioral characteristics to verify your identity. Think fingerprint scanning, facial recognition, or even retinal scanning. These methods are not only more secure but also faster and easier to use. Forget about remembering complex passwords or worrying about your banking details falling into the wrong hands. With biometric security, your identity is the key. The future of mobile banking is not just about convenience and efficiency. It's about a personalized, secure, and interactive banking experience. The advancements we've discussed today, from AI to voice banking to biometric security, are just the tip of the iceberg. The possibilities are endless and the future is bright. The evolution of mobile banking has been a fascinating journey, and the future promises to be even more exciting. So there you have it, the evolution of mobile banking from a mere concept to a global phenomenon. We've journeyed from the dawn of mobile banking through the smartphone revolution and into the era of digital-only banks. We've uncovered mind-blowing statistics that illustrate just how integral mobile banking has become in our day-to-day lives. We've also glimpsed into the future of mobile banking, a future where our financial transactions are as seamless as sending a text message, where physical banks are a thing of the past, and where our smartphones are our personal financial advisors. In this fast-paced digital world, mobile banking is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of efficiency. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. What are your thoughts on mobile banking? We'd love to hear from you.